The problem with you, anak. No, anak. Anak. Come here. Watch na Alo. Watch Alo. And Indy. There you go. Auntie Indy's there. Come watch. There. Oh, Daddy is coming down. Daddy is up. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? I can see Daddy. Where's Daddy? Oh no, oh no, oh no. What happened? What happened? Oh, stand up. Buti na nakapaglinis na tayo ng bahay, nak. Morning, babe. Daddy's here. Be careful with that. There's a barrier for Ayana. Careful. Come here, nak. Come here. Kain tayo ng papaya, mga cats. Binalatan ko na yung isa kasi nahinog na siya. Ano siya, maniba. Matigas pa. Ewan ko lang sa loob. Tapos sabi ni nanay, wala daw tong wala siyang seed. So tingnan natin kung may seed to. Swerte ko kung may seed to.
Be careful.
Put in the garbage na. Garbage there. Okay, very good. Good job. You're a good girl. Ganda ng ating papaya, anak. Look at this one. Papaya. You want to eat papaya? Itong ating balat. Gawin natin yung swamp fertilizer. Sabihin na naman, basura na naman. Yes, okay, it's okay. You have to wait. Wait, mommy. Oh, look, mommy. I'm gonna cut. Yeah, I know. Move your hands away, anak. No, later. Mama will give you. Go there. Go, move. Babe, call her, babe.
Come here, baby, come here.
Nak.
Come here.
Go, daddy. Show daddy something.
Come here.
Oh, daddy, show daddy something. Go, daddy. We're gonna go. Bye-bye na, daddy.
Come here.
Oh, yeah. There is... Anak, there's something inside. Look.
Seeds.
No, look at this.
So they are not right. They are seeds.
No, they're not. Para siyang fetus. Parang fetus siya sa loob. Look, it's like a fetus. Yeah.
It's a baby, this one.
Yeah, it's a baby thingy. Fetus nga siya, babe.
You can plant this.
No, Nana told me yesterday that there is no seed, but this one, there's lots of seed. Okay, come on. Can you hold her?
Come on.
Mama, we're gonna cut the baby. Oh, go ate. Ate, oh. Hold mo muna to. Oh, what do you want now? What do you want now? Magkasama na nga tayo eh. Sino yung darating call?
Isa ko muna. Si Shana.
Guys, scratching, no?
Huwag mo na ilagay yan, maingay sa niya, katawan niya yan. Banas mag-ano.
Why you move, girl?
No, it's too noisy when he scratches on his skin. Very annoying at night. What do you want now? How can I eat the papaya? Oh, you go Ate Love first, dali. Yeah. Water. Where's the water, Ate? Get the water. Go get the water first. Oh, let baby Anna drink water. Yes. Okay. Ingatan sa to. Hindi pa. Pagkain lang. Oh, come drink water nga. Mommy, drink water. Okay, good job. Ay, imbis kakain tayo ng papaya.
Wow, that's good. It's really good.
did contain terrorists. Through the course of this interview and this conversation, I guess it didn't scale on
You want something? You want
my
punishment?
interpretation of the likelihood of further response.
Papaya. Taste it if it's good. If it's sweet.
You have to remove this also.
Why not? Why?
Yes, you have to remove it.
Ay, it's okay na that way. Good? Sweet? She can eat this one? Why not?
Very hot.
Very hot? What do you mean very hot? Ano pa ba? Good for the Yes.
You have to remove this.
Oh, nak, bawal daw, nak. Daddy go to work. Bye-bye, Daddy. Si bye-bye, Daddy. Go to work again si Daddy.
You guys coming back tomorrow, right?
Yeah. Yeah, we're going home tomorrow. Tapos na yung aming bakasyon.
Whatever, just make sure that these girls help you in cleaning up the place, okay?
Yeah, yeah.
And then you want to keep some stuff over here? Don't carry everything.
No, what is it? Do I need to carry back? Nothing. Just the milk of Ayana. That's it.
That's everything you're keeping back?
Yeah, just
And dirty clothes, you take care.
yeah. Of course, I will do that. Okay, it's okay, maybe. No power.
Make sure they clean everything up.
Dali mo sa Ayana to sa labas. Ang gagawin ko nga is tatanggalan ko siya ng mga weeds. Ang dami niyan hanggang dito. Dito, hanggang dito. Ito mga weeds to eh. Hanggang doon. Try natin yan linisan. Tapos yung dito.